I've spent weeks, sometimes even months, trying to get a simple landing page or web app built. Does this sound familiar? Back and forth with the designer, trying to actually get the developer to work on your project. And then you find endless bugs that you need to fix. Everything becomes a massive rabbit hole. And of course, it ends up costing you 2 or 3 times more than what you anticipated. I was convinced that there had to be another way, a cheaper and faster one. I found Bolt, a new AI app and website builder that promises exactly that. Let's check it out. But first, how much is it gonna cost you? Bolt has a generous free plan with a little caveat. As you can see, you won't need to pay anything to start creating your landing page or your web app, as we'll see later. But there is a 150,000 token limit daily. That means once you reach that, you can't use Bolt until the next day. And it drags out a little bit the building process. The free plan will not let you connect to your own domain name. If you wanted to use your own domain name, you can opt for the Pro plan, which is $25 a month if you pay monthly, or $18 if you pay yearly. It also removes the token daily limit. But let me show you now how Bolt works. As you can see, you have this little box and you just add what is it you want to create. For example, we can create our website for my dog and then Bolt will start working on it. But this is a rather not efficient way of doing it. Instead, what you can do is go into ChatGPT and ask it to create your detailed prompt for Bolt. This way, ChatGPT will think of things that you haven't planned. So let's go for it. I am building a landing page for a fictitious latte art coffee workshop. Finally, I want to add a picture of myself as a barista, generated AI, that I created with Replicate. There you go. By the way, if you wanted to get tips like this, like how to create AI images of yourself, register to the Tool Desk newsletter. You'll find a link in the description. And back to Bolt. Now I think our prompt's ready and we're ready to click Go Ahead. There you go. Looks like Bolt has finished with our landing page. Let's click here to see the preview mode. I quite like the fonts and the colors. Also, this background image is quite swanky. There you go. That's nicely integrated. It even has created a bit of a pricing tier for me. I loved how it looks like. How will the landing page look on mobile devices? You can check if there's anything that's off in the mobile view, and then we could edit it out. Let's go back to the regular editor. And let's say we don't like this green. So we would just go and grab the inspector tool, click over the box we want to change, and say, I don't like this color green, give it another color. And then Bolt will start working on this for us. As you can see, it has changed the green for something else. If you're quite geeky and you know how to code, Bolt also allows you to access the code and the source files. A nice addition is that with Bolt, you get this prompt library where there are like predefined prompts for you to do certain things. For example, there's one that allows you to easily create a dark mode. We just click on it and ask Bolt to implement this for us. Well, and as you can see, Bolt has created a dark mode for us. I think that actually looks kind of nice. Bolt comes with some integrations, sadly not too many, and this is something I hope they improve in the future, but you could connect it with your Stripe account. And for example, in this case, I could process card payments from my landing page, meaning I could sell tickets to my workshop. And then you can also connect it with Supabase. This is a no-code database platform that would allow you to record information. For example, if I were to build a membership website, I could get the user's data stored in Supabase and then retrieve it when I need it. Bolt will be dealing with this and not you. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video of Bolt, and of course, you get now a better idea if it's a good solution for you or not. If you liked the video and want to see more content like this, please subscribe and consider leaving me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot and see you around.